So there's really one simple way to organize the work in lean operations. This is a simple way. There's lots of different methods, but this is a simple way, and I will probably have a project for you to do regarding this process. So this is the 5S process. So this is a continuous improvement process. So we're going to sort, simplify, sweep, standardize, and sustain. That's it. So we're going to sort everything. So for example, take your desk or wherever you have your workspace. So if you were to take everything off it, so you have a bare surface, well, take all that stuff and sort it. Now go through and simplify it. You might have some bills on there that you can throw out or file away, however you do your bills. Or maybe there's a bill there you need to pay. So go ahead and simplify everything that was on your desk. There might be a textbook that shouldn't be on your desk anymore because it's from last semester. Only you can determine what's on your desk. So next you're going to sweep. Sweep means clean. So go ahead and clean off your desk, dust it off. Dust off your books, your computer, whatever's on your desk before putting things back. After that, you're going to standardize. So by standardize, you're going to say, okay, my computer's always going to go here. And my textbook's always going to go over here. My phone's always going to go here. My cup of coffee or my favorite drink is going to go over right here. You're going to standardize where things go on the desk. That way, whenever you're looking for something, you know generally where it should be. And then the last step, which is the hardest step of all, is to sustain that, to keep it that way. So if you can sustain it, you're going to have long-term success. Now imagine doing this 5S process for other things. Like for example, when you own your first home and there's a garage. The garage is usually a dumping ground after a while. Well, what if you were to do the 5S process for your garage or a basement or a closet? You can make a lot of progress with this. So don't be afraid of doing this. You might have already done this once or twice yourself, just maybe not in this order. Maybe you didn't call it these steps, but you probably have done this once before. And then our final thing, as I mentioned in a previous video, is the 8 wastes. So these wastes are problems that come up when we're doing, or that lean tries to eliminate. So we have defects, overproduction, waiting, not utilizing staff talent, transportation, inventory, motion, and excess processing. So there's an easy way to remember this, and it's downtime. DOWNTIME. So if you need to remember all 8 of them, remember the acronym downtime. Defects, overproduction, waiting, not utilizing staff talent, transportation, inventory, motion, and excess processing. So each one of these are wasteful activities. So we need to eliminate these as much as possible. And if we can do that, we'll be getting closer and closer to perfection when it comes to lean. So I hope you've enjoyed topic 7, because we're going to move into topic 8, where we're going to talk about Six Sigma, and we're going to do some math in that too. So let's go ahead and dive into topic 8.